Hi friends, welcome to Moscow CBSE. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. Today, let us see about the human eyes, the basics about our eyes. What is an eye? Why do we need eyes? And how our eyes work together and we see our images. Define eye. Eye is a sensory organ that detects the light and sends signals through the optic nerve to the brain. Usually, our eyes and brain both work together so that we can see the things around us. Eyes helps us to differentiate the colors, shape, size and the distance of the objects. Eye is found in the socket in the skull. Eyelids, it protects our eyes from the bright lights. Why do we need eyes? Eyes are the organs of vision system. We need eyes so that we can see and feel what happens around us. Humans have two eyes, but we see only a single image. It is termed as binocular vision. This helps us to see the images around us as a three-dimensional. Do eyes grow? Yes, it usually takes around 2 years for the babies to have the fully developed eyesight, and it grows until the age of 20 to 21. What is the shape of an eye? Eyes are not a perfect sphere. They are composed of anterior segment and posterior segment which are fused together as a single unit. Why do we need eyelashes? Eyelashes are the fine hairs which are the first lines of defense which protect our eyes from dust and dirt. Now let us move into the structure of the eye. What are the parts of the eye? The parts of the eye, they can be differentiated into external and internal structures. The external structure of the eye includes sclera, conjunctiva, cornea, iris and pupil. Sclera, it is the white portion of our eye, this layer. And conjunctiva, it is a thin lining around the sclera which keeps our eyes very moist and it is responsible for the tears. Cornea. Cornea, it is the front part of the eye which covers the pupil and iris. And iris, it is the pigmented colored portion of the eye. And pupil, it is the small aperture located in the center of the iris. Next, the internal structure of the eye. It includes the lens, retina and the optic nerve. Lens, it is the transparent biconvex lens of the eyes. And retina, it is the innermost layer of the eye which is sensitive to the light, this yellow layer. Next, optic nerve, which is located in the posterior portion of the eye. These are responsible for carrying the nerve impulses from the retina to the human brain. Next comes the aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Aqueous humor, it is a watery fluid which is present between the cornea and the lens. This portion, it keeps our eyes moist and it nourishes the eye. Next is the vitreous chamber or the vitreous humor. It is a transparent jelly-like substance which is present between the lens and the retina. It protects the eyes and it maintains the spherical shape of our eyes. How do our eyes work? First, the light enters through the cornea. From the cornea, the light passes through the pupil. Pupil, it is the center aperture present inside the iris. Iris, it is the color portion of the eye which controls the amount of the light passing through it. Behind the pupil is the lens. The lens, it focuses the light and it forms the objects that we see onto the retina. Thus, the images are formed onto the retina. Retina have special cells called as rods and cones which are sensitive to light and color. The information about the image formed on the retina, it is sent to the brain through the optic nerve. Optic nerve, it is responsible for carrying the signals to the brain. The visual cortex of the brain, it turns the signals into the images and we see the images. Why do people have different colored eyes? The color of our eyes, it is determined by the color chemical matter called melanin. Just like our shape of our nose and color of the hair, the eye color, it is also inherited from our parents through the genes. These genes, they determine our eye color. If we have more melanin, our eyes will be more darker. Why do some people have two different colored eyes? Sometimes a person's melanin pigment, it does not evenly spread to each of the iris, which leads to one side of the eye darker and the other side lighter. This condition is very rare and it is called as heterochromia. It usually does not affect the person's vision. Now here comes an interesting question. How do we see the colored objects around us? Our retina, it is covered with millions of special cells called as rods and cones. These cells, they process the light from the lens. And so the people who are color blind, they miss some of the cone cells for a particular color. Another interesting question, why some children or babies born without the vision or eyesight? There are two main reasons for this. One, it is the congenital cataract and another is the retinopathy of prematurity. Congenital cataract. Cataract, it usually means the clouding of the lens of the eye, which covers the lens so that the vision does not passes through it. And congenital means it happens before the birth or before 1 year. Retinopathy of prematurity, it usually occurs in the premature babies. These babies, they do not have the enough blood vessels or properly developed blood vessels. So kids, now we came to the end of the session. Through this video, I think now you are confident to answer the questions such as the definition of the eye, the structure of the eye and how our eyes work and much more. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and please do subscribe Moscow CBSE for more such interesting videos and quiz. Thanks for watching.